Hi, this is Jake from Tonkin, and I'm going to take you through a renovation we did at 501 Nathan Avenue. So this room just started off as a laundry with a toilet and washing machine. We've converted it into a nice bathroom / laundry. We jacked up the floor to bring silver for the vanity, floor waste and the bath. And we also chased in hot and cold pipes to supply water to all these fixtures. So in this bathroom, we haven't done too much compared to the last one. We pulled out the bath that used to be along this wall here and installed a shower with a shower head coming from the ceiling. The vanity and toilet are in the same spot, but they're just a lot more modernised now. Alright, that's a wrap. If you like what you saw, give Tonkin Group a call and we'll see you at your next reno.